welcome back to IGS. To get us started, let's just take a look at our chart for today. Our chart, we're starting at $1,322. That was the previous Friday. Today is Monday. So our target today is going to be around $47 here. We have our lots. Let me just write down all of my lots here. All right, guys. So now that we got our lots here, what we're going to be doing is just hopping back into the charts and let's get everything going. So we're going to open this here, and we're also going to open TradingView. Turn up this. Actually, we'll turn up the stage manager for right now. What we're going to do is toggle to left, and then we're going to go trading. Shift this over here. All right, guys. So we're hopping back into TradingView. It's actually 9:30 on the dot. There we go. Just delete this pane here. Just refresh everything. All right. So thankfully, nothing's happened too crazy. I was watching on MetaTrader, and I was like, oh my god. All right. So for right now, we got some huge breaks here on 30. What we can do is we'll get into 30, 0.11. Let's get into a sell here on that. What I do want to do is though, 500, let's get 1.10. Gold, we got, I think it's still 0.03. Yep, that's good. And then Nikki is 15.52. All right, cool guys. So we're here. 30 has got us going. Nikki hasn't did too much. I'll just put some lines on here as to why I'm doing that. So the break of the double bottom here from 30, let's see if we'll hold that. If we do, then that's great. Gold here, hopefully that'll be the break of the double top there. 500 is chilling, it's not doing too much. But as soon as it breaks, to be honest, we're gonna start loading ourselves up for heavy. Still 930, so we're gonna hold on to that a little bit. Patient on that. I'm actually gonna sell gold. We'll sell gold there. Nikki is pretty chill for right now. Yeah, let's see what's happening else. With that, we have. Oh, I am on USJPY, not 500. Good lord. Good lord, guys. I'm sure you guys were looking at that as like, he is not on the right. He is not on 500. Get my, this is Oanda, perfect. Man, I was getting ready to sell, thinking JPY was moving. Actually, interesting that 500 started pushing up. All right, guys. So now we're good to go. We should be good to go. Yeah, so what I'll do, stop loss for there is gonna be 38542. Yeah, we're just gonna be a little patient on this. You know what, while this is happening, let's just take a look at news to see if there's any news here. If I'm not mistaken, there shouldn't really be too many. Today is Monday, February 5th. We do not have any news today, so we are free reigns, ready to go, ready to make some money. So that is that. So it's so funny now also too, you know, with this subscription thing, like it's like I don't even need I don't even really need all that stuff. The only thing I really need is like just 4 charts, to be honest. I don't really need all of the extraness. A little bit patient here on that. So the gold position we're out of profit in, and 30 we are in profit in. So let's see what that is. You know, it's interesting too. I was thinking about just reducing my my risk percentage, even dropping it down to about 15%. You know, it's like, why not? Like, why not have it really, really small? Or, you know, so insignificant. All right, so 530, just trying to figure itself out, as well as Nikki. Nikki's pretty chill today. I actually have 0 moves on them for right now. And one of these is gonna be wrong because I both have sells there, but I just sold gold here. I was looking for a buy here, but you know, we're trading the double tops unless otherwise. So yeah, something's gonna switch. So if gold is dropping as well as 30, that's not supposed to be right. Huge engulfing candle on Nikki right now, so we might be able to get into the buy. I'll buy that. And the only reason why I sold that was because it just broke that level, but you know, let's see what happens with that. Gold is pushing up. 500 is still in this little zone here, so let's see what's happening with that. A little hesitant by getting into this 30 position as of yet. I'm just feeling the reversal spike, but just because of how gold is positioning itself. But you know, let's see what happens. We're in profit in Nikki right now. I'm really waiting for, I don't know, for some reason I'm just very hesitant on this 30 move. Like, this is not usually like 30 where it just kind of just chooses what it wants to do immediately. But you know, if it breaks this level, hey, we're into the heavy lot. You know, if it's showing signs, you know, who cares what I think. So market's moving. Go with the drop there. Nikki with the buy here. Yeah, I don't trust Nikki either. Yeah, market's still just trying to figure itself out. Gold is, let's see if gold starts to push up on this here. Nikki is pushing here as well, sort of. We'll buy that on gold. And I think 30 might turn around, to be honest. Here goes gold, ready for that. Liking that. Alright, so 0.15 here, and then we'll get our Nikki positions in. So we got our heavy position in gold here. Like the push up there from gold. And we'll get our Nikki position lined up here. Nikki is going to be at 74.51. So crazy how these lots start to grow. But let's see what happens. All right, so let's get gold ready for the re-entry. Size, so we've already got 2 positions here on gold. Let's see if we'll hold that. 30 is still doing okay, I guess. All right, so we're looking maybe to look for a break through this here. Nikki is still playing around a little bit, trying to figure out where it wants to go. That's okay, we'll just wait. But gold is doing its thing, and you know, we're in on gold. Up $26, $32 right now total, which is pretty good. Gold looks like it's breaking through that level. Let's see if we'll start to add some more once it gets through it. Really good day. We're at 42, 45. We're at 3% right now. Nikki's on the run. I'm waiting for Nikki to. I want to wait for Nikki to break out of that box. Then I know for sure we're going up, and then we can close. Well, actually, I'm not going to close out anything if it's, you know, I'll wait to figure what's happening. But yeah, because gold can easily turn around. It's still not out of that range where it's like, oh yeah, like it's for sure going up. So, and neither can Nikki. Nikki can drop right now if it wanted to, and that's a still viable trade there. So we're just holding that position in. Yeah, let's get gold's stop loss in here. We're gonna put that right at the bottom of 21.325. We put that there. Yeah, exactly what I was saying. You know, gold can definitely just drop down from this point and just switch entirely, because no one else hasn't really clearly decided where they want to go. So that is also the case as well. But so, you know, like, yeah, my Nikki position would have to lose. Yeah, everything would have to lose here, pretty much. except 30. If 30 is right, then like that's the only position that I'm basically gonna be good in. I bought it here because that's what Nikki was doing. Nikki was buying, so 30 was selling. Everything is completely independent of each other, so until it starts to line up, and that's it. So that's how we trade it, and that's it. So I think by having that attitude and having that mentality, you're able to be really clear and concise and efficient with each independent market, and not have them, they're correlated, but they're also like, by also trading them not almost as if they're not correlated is a good way to keep just consistency of just seeing double tops and double bottoms and knowing what your strategy is and just executing it, and that's it. Just execute your strategy, and that's it. So, yeah, so Nikki's gone. So Nikki's here. Let's see. We'll push this up here. Well, not gone. Sorry about that. It's just gone on my desk tray. Yeah, patience. You know, you still need to have patience with this. I was showing my boy yesterday, and you know, just being patient is important with this strategy. You'll have plenty of re-entries, plenty of times to re-enter as much as you want. But like, you know, if you're patient with this and you're patient with like what's happening, it'll be a lot better. Yeah, if gold is going up, that means the indices should be going down. That's all I know. But we don't know. We're just gonna trade gold. We're gonna trade what gold gives, just to make sure that there's no spikes or anything. 2104.950. Yeah, Nikki, you need to decide for me, please. Thank you. We good? Okay, we're pushing. All right, so I'm in on Nikki right now. Let's see if we'll hold that. Gold is slowing down, I'm assuming. We might need to get out of that position, but let's see what happens. 30 is still holding on to keeping me in profit, surprisingly. S&P hasn't really did too much. I'll start to figure out what it's doing after it does this. I mean, I could have bought this here, to be honest. But yeah, let's see what happens. You know, on MetaTrader, it's like a huge distance, but you know, from here to here, it's not that much of a distance. Like, it's not bad. I was still making money. I'm down on $1. Oh, it's probably down on the matching itself here. The spread's getting bigger a little bit, so we might see some volatility. Let's put Nikki's stop loss in here. We'll put Nikki's stop loss at about 36,271.3. Yeah, we can put that there or somewhere in that area, which is, I think it's good. We bought it. We bought the explosion. I think that's okay, and that's why it's important to just wait. But you know, sometimes it happens. We're gonna keep this tight. There's no real reason to have that any lower than what it needs. Our entry was perfect, 36,256.3. Yeah, if 30 breaks past this, we got a heavy lot coming in. So 0.48 is already loaded. Great. That means gold is going up. That means we can start to switch. But let's see. Kind of at a little bit of a standstill. Anything can just literally flip. Like gold can drop and then indices can go up, or it can just continue with what's happening. I'm just telling you, stop losses are important. All right, so gold is, we get into this here, and let's see something. Okay, so Nikki is dropped. Nikki is going up. Gold made a huge engulfing candle there. Great stop loss there. Just take me out. Boom, done. Let's see. That was a big heavy lot position on 30 for me. Huge engulfing there. And I can almost, like, you can almost sense it. Like, you can almost sense that was gonna happen. Boom. for that. And let's start loading up S&P. S&P will give us 5.229 here. Let's start loading that up. Let's see if that will. Man, I got me at the bot. They got me at the bot. That was so funny. Just huge standstill on everything. Huge stand. 30 has shown its drop there. May not hold. Is this 30? Yeah, we'll hold this here. Stop loss is gonna be right at that 3845.3 mark there. 500 is trying to figure out what it wants to do with its life. Gold has reached that bottom there, tapped that essentially, and let's see what Nikki wants to do. Nikki, we're still in the buy there. 30 is dropping. 500 is finally dropping. All right, we'll be getting ready to get into a heavy position soon on that. 30 is giving us good money here, which is good. Let's see if 500 would also do so as well. And there goes 30. All right, we're gonna start getting 30 into the re-entry point of view now. I do want to get into 500 now, and I think let's hold. Let's see what happens. What's holding us back? I think gold is holding us back, but it's only by like $4. So it's really we just need more momentum. All right, re-entry 430 here. Let's start getting organized a little bit. So we're gonna move. First, we're gonna move it from down up. We're gonna move this here. We're gonna move that there. First time 30 and S&P giving us money before Nikki does. Interesting. And yeah, so let's start doing 500. Start putting in some stop losses for 500. So this is on. Let's start doing the heavy one first, since that it's pulling back now. We can do that at, I don't really, 4943 point. Yeah, gold, you should be going up, buddy. No, am I not correct in that? In saying that one, that same position here, we actually do it a little bit lower, 4944. We're just gonna give them stop losses. I just don't trust 500. It's a little bit spiky right now. I don't know, yeah. But I mean, huge clear drops from 30. Like that was just textbook. That was textbook. So Nikki's coming down now, which I am okay with that. We can actually, good, top us out of that. Nikki, we're gonna go 15.52. Once that breaks out of that zone, we'll get into that sell there as well. And then hopefully by then we should be getting in some momentum. Gold should be going up. Hopefully Nikki should be dropping, and let's see what happens with that. We'll get into that. And then Nikki, let's do 74.51 for Nikki on that. Man, interesting standoffs here that we just had. 500 is just so spiky, man. Just go down, bro. You don't have to look back all the time. It just looks back all. Oh yeah, people put their stop loss. We have to go get that. We have to go get that to miss profit. No, you don't. Just keep going. Just keep going. So yeah, Nikki is finally breaking out of that box there, which is good. Hopefully we'll get some profit in there. And there we go. This is what we want. Let's see, 500 is ready for, no, it's not ready for the re-entry now. Not ready for re-entries, which is good. 30 is doing good. Gold is a little standstill. That's okay. We got our move there. We're up $60 right now. We're back to break even, which is good. Let's see now. Guys, it should be time to make some money now, hopefully. But let's see. I believe in 30, to be honest. Like 30 is looking very, very healthy and strong when it comes to that downside. I really like the way that it's moving on that. I just need to make sure that the other markets are doing what it needs to do. It looks strong, but it also like looks weak at the same. Like it looks like it doesn't also want to hold that downward position for that long, which is okay with me. But you know, yeah, like Nikki isn't dropping yet. You know, like it's a little interesting sign. Gold isn't shooting up. Like everybody should be having its direction. Yeah, interesting standstill here. Another hold up here. Just like we're just holding it up. Like just, I mean, huge. I mean, this is huge candles. These are some very, very large candles here. And just be more hopeful. You're in profit, just so be more hopeful. I don't know why I just have this doubt. I mean, I'm still gonna add on if it's giving me, but it's just, I don't know. I just got this interesting feeling. It looks like it's just, I just don't really know. All right, Nikki, I'm adding. Okay, just want to let you know. 30, I'm adding. 500. Here we go, guys. There we go, guys. There we go. This is what we want. Nikki starts playing in the field now. Let's get it. That's what we need. All right, let me just manage stop losses right now. Oh no, I put 2.3s. Oh my god. All right, let me just get out of. Oh no, that's good. Oh, snapped. All right, Nikki, you can do that. Wasn't expecting that. All right, guys, we're at $400 on the account, which is good. Well over the 3%. We're at 6% now. We're just gonna hold this out here. I think we're gonna have some huge moves today. Oh, Nikki, you can't do that. And then like, that was just dumb. You should just move slow. And I would have slowly added to that position. Gold is giving us some profit here. Let's just do stop loss. Let me just focus on stop losses. All right, so Nikki here. Let's focus on Nikki. So we have 46.7. No, let's do 7 heavy lot. Need to put that at break even 36,235.1. And then we have just a possible re-entry, guys. That was a bad re-entry. I'm losing only $8, but like that's a lot for me. I shouldn't have did that hard like that. There was no reason for it to do that. I think it was trying to catch up with everything. Whoever who sells Japan, trades Japan, and also is in US, saw the drop there and then just started adding to their position. Now it's like, now I made this huge trade. Like, bro, like I could have had 1 year. Like, now we gotta wait. All right, so let's do 30. 30 is on the run here. I think I might get another one in there for 30. This is how you, yeah, this is the scaling right here. Scaling it in. Yeah, we're gonna get another one on 30. All right, I need to manage 30 now. All right, so no more re-entries for 30 until I get everything managed. All right, so 3373. All right, that needs to be 3373.3. Oh, what? Oh, 38. 38373.3. That's there. And then we're gonna go 332.3. That's going there. All right, 500's getting in. All right, so we're all good on that. Yeah, Nikki, that was dumb. Yeah, I had to pull back because he did a whole bunch of nonsense. All right, guys, we are running, guys. Count is at 500. We are up almost $200 right now. Let's 46.7 is good. Okay, that's my re-entries. Gold is chilling. I like it. We're not losing heavily and we're not making. That's okay. I'll take that. 30 is we are with the team today. Team New York. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Team New York. yeah, really good stuff. Yeah, I have no complaints besides gold, but gold can chill out. It's not hurting us. It's not making us money. That's okay. Good God. I think if we get to 600, guys, I think I'll chill out and just yeah, do that. Or when there's a pullback here, we get some more pushes to the downside. Yeah, let's go 30. We're getting more pushes. Nikki's going. All right, we're gonna add some more to 30. We're gonna wait for 500 to give us some more. We're on the run, guys. 600 right now. I'm thinking about taking out. I don't know. My boy is texting me right now. Showed him the strat. I think we're gonna take out now, guys. Oh, maybe not. 500 is going. We're at 700, guys. I think we're gonna take it. We'll pull. I'm getting I'm getting an angel telling me no. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, actually I am gonna pull it. We'll take the 600. All right, guys. 617, right on the money. Perfect. Yeah, excellent. Made over $300. I would love to see what percentage that is for today. Obviously we are well over the 3%. Let's just take a look at our percentages. So we are at 1617. 1617.13. 1617.13. That's 22% for the day, guys. Pretty freaking good. That's all I have to say. Yeah, let's just keep doing whatever that we're doing, and we're gonna crush that 2,000 mark, maybe even tomorrow. So that's what I am gonna do though is, and I did want to practice this strategy, what I am gonna do now is to just focus on a little bit more of, now that I got my big position in, I'm good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna keep trading, but we're gonna turn it down a lot. So what we're gonna do is we're only gonna be trading the tests and heavy. So that's it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a break here. Gotta get some water, and I will be back.